just walking around handheld at the moment, and I'm finding I can grab these shots quite easily. Utilise a lot of these patterns in the sand while we've still got this beautiful light. It's really refreshing just to be able to shoot without the tripod, move around quickly and utilise the light as it's happening, focusing down on the foreground, on the patterns in the foreground, and then taking a shot, raising my focus point while I'm still holding the same composition, and then taking a shot about 3/4 of the way into the frame, and then I'll combine those together later on in Photoshop. Sometimes you don't have to look for the wide vistas and the grand landscapes. Sometimes this thing's right in front of us. That's a hell of a lot of fun just shooting handheld. I came down with no expectations. It certainly exceeded anything I thought I might have got.